My name is Ben Snyder. I'm the General Manager at Gregory Landscape Services.
My name is Jacob and I'm the Operations Manager at Gregory Landscape Services. Gregory Landscape Services is special because we're literally a one-stop shop for landscaping.
Yeah, we specialize in commercial facilities. We want to show you that when commercial facilities have attractive landscapes, not only does the property value increase, but the human performance and energy in your staff and clientele increases. We want to show you that when clinics and hospitals have healing gardens and landscaped common spaces, cognitive functions in patients are dramatically improved. Hotels and apartments gain higher occupancy rates. That's helping your business. We're part of the solution.
Our culture here at Gregory Landscape is hard work and integrity, and we're going to guarantee we are going to give you the highest quality landscape.
At Gregory Landscape, we are about cultivating relationships with our customers. We are about creating a culture of safety and personal growth in our employees. We are about people.